The world's first boat, the Yamato 1, powered by electromagnetic superconductivity, debuted in Japan's port city of Kobe, heralding a new era of pollution-free water transport. As shown in this display, an electric current that passes through highly superconductive metal creates a powerful magnetic force. This is the force that propels the Yamato 1 forward. 8 years ago, experiments began at the Scuba Research Institute to harness superconductivity to power watercraft. This led to the development of Yamato 1. With an electromagnet supplying the energy, no engine-driven propeller is necessary, thus eliminating noise and vibrations, not to mention pollution-causing fuel. The ship is made of sturdy, lightweight plastic. Its interiors reflect the latest high-tech design. At its trials, the Yamato 1 achieved a speed of 5.5 knots. Buoyed by this success, larger craft, superliners that move by superconductivity, are at the drawing board stage. Make way for the boat of the future, now proudly plying the waves of today.